In this video, we are going to talk about the bird sanctuary poetic lines. First line, in your quiet garden wakes a magic trumpet. So, the bird sanctuary is rich in imaginary and metaphors. These devices are present at the very beginning of the poem. In the first line, Sarojini Naidu, poetic person depicts a quiet garden that suddenly gets filled with an outburst of twinkling and gathering of birds. The irregularity of several sounds creates a trumpet environment at dawn. Readers can sense how the internal volume keeps rising until the end of the second line. So the second line is of winged choristers that keep the festival of dawn. So in the second line of Bird Sanctuary, winged choristers refers to the birds. Here, the poet compares them to charioteers who sing rhythm to God. In this way, the poet associates a devotional essence into the lines. The quiet garden turns out to be a temple where a festival is held every day at dawn. So here the birds, they are like a queen of the garden. They are walking on the garden like a festival dawn. So the dawn, the birds are enjoying the dawn in the garden. So the next line, third line, Bitoli rise the carols in richly condensed. So in the following line, the term Bitli depicts the carefree nature of the carrot, a metaphorical reference to the bird's song, though they don't sing in unison, but beautifully composition comes out of the irregularity. The irregularities in nature also create a magnificent tone in the ears to sense it. So here the birds are singing. After the carol, the birds started singing in the garden, and it looks like a magnificent tone to the listeners. The fourth line, Flum relic, thoughts of amber, ebony, and foam. So here Sarojini Naidu is talking about the three birds, that is amber, ebony, and foam. So Sarojini Naidu further describes the song as a richly condensed lecture. It means the richly condensed song of birds makes the poet's heart ecstatic. So uh, in that means some other members, including the amber, ebony, and fawn, they play the part of vocalist. So here the birds like amber, ebony, and fawn. Not only these birds are in the garden. Apart from that, there are so many birds in the garden. So in the fifth stanza, Naidu is going to talk about the rest of the birds. So in this bird, that by the term from lyric thoughts of amber, of ebony and fawn, by the term amber, the poet also associates the sense of amber leaf. Ebony is a tree of tropical and warm temperature regions, while fawn is a young deer. So in the festival of dawn, fawns and other animals also sing the carols along with the birds and trees. It seems the whole creation starts singing in praise of the blissful dawn. So here it is talking about the blissful dawn and and how the birds are enjoying in the garden. Next video we will see about the rest of the lines.